What's going on? So yeah, I'm back. I'm still on vacay, but I'm like kind of getting back into the mode of like doing problems and stuff. What's up, guys? Um, yeah. All right. So let's kind of look at this rotation problem first, because I think rotation problems are still kind of a tough thing. Vic Samo's acting for a movie? What? That's crazy, dude. Yeah, who got the 90 point? You could do Vic Samo. You did, bro. Let me bust out the updated list. Check it out. That is the current standings. Vixamo, you're on top, dude. That's 102K and three. And then Arendam, you're there too, man. You're up top, third place, 91,000. Hey, yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna do live streams just one week. I saw your earlier comment about like having multiple live streams a week, but like my schedule is packed, bros. Like maybe I could figure it out, but like I don't have that much free time, you know. So let's start with some problems, yeah. And one thing I want you to be very like with rotation problems specifically. Am I gonna do videos? Yeah, I've just been kind of lazy on vacay, dude. But I'm definitely gonna do videos. So when we're dealing with rotation problems, you really are what you're dealing with is circumference. Yeah, they were kind of easy, yeah. So do you guys know the equation for the circumference of a circle in CAN tutorial? Yeah, what'd you get, dude? It is the diameter times pi. That could be it. Or I'm sorry, yeah, diameter times pi. Or it's 2 r pi, right? 2 pi r, right? Yeah, pi d, exactly, Vixano. That's perfect. So when you have like a circle like this, you need to recognize how far it is around on the outside. Because like this is just a wheel. Eventually, when it makes one full rotation, it will cover this distance. What's up? Oh, Barack Obama is in the feed. That's huge. What's up, guys? So we need to figure out what that distance is around, and the circumference equals one rotation. That's it, dude. The circumference is one rotation. So if I were to give you a problem like this, one rotation would be 1 minute. I mean, technically, yeah, because if it that's like what a clock does is it goes around. Are circles ever going to be drawn to scale? They haven't really said if their diagrams are to scale or not. But I mean, if you have a ruler, sure, you could like do that, but like that's craziness, right? So we need to see how far this wheel goes when it's rolled one time. And so if this is let's say, a 7 in here, how far does this travel after one rotation? How far does it travel? And let's just say that this is feet, and let's just say that pi is that 22 over 7 figure that I gave you earlier. How far does it travel with one rotation? This is worth 3K bonus points. First one. You might bring a measuring tape. Yeah, you'll be the weirdest kid there with like a piece of string and like counting in your head. 44. We got 44 as an answer. Anybody else? 44 feet. Anybody else? I am in A class. So we got 44, Arindam. Anybody else got a different answer for this bad boy? For one rotation? How far it would travel after one rotation? Elena. What's up, Elena? And Alif. Yeah, everybody's coming in on this 44 figure. Really nice job, Vixamo. I'm going to give it to you, man. That's 3K to you right there. All right, so yeah, exactly. It's going to go 44 feet. And you guys all got it, so I don't really need to explain it, right? So the way that they give this to you in the SHSAT is like this, though. They give you basically finding out, yeah, exactly. You're finding out how many times it has to go around, right? So this would be an example of a problem they'd give you on the SHSAT. Also, smash that like button if you haven't yet. I really appreciate it. Let's say, oh man, all my numbers are the same for these. Let's say that this is 21 inches. And let's say it is going, let's say it's going 100 inches per minute, right? So it is part of a car. This is my car, my beautiful car. Here are the headlights. So that's my beautiful car. Look at how customized and gorgeous this car is. And it has a front wheel that's 21 inches. If this car is going forward at 100 inches a minute, how many, let me write this down, full rotations does it make in 1 minute? Bam, that's your question. This is worth 3 bonus points. Just 3. Vixavo's a little ahead of himself saying 61. Okay, Vixano thinks it's 0. Anybody else? Yeah, 0. I got you, bro. Anybody else? Man, you whipped that out fast, Vixano. That's really crazy, man. You finished it almost as fast as I wrote it. Everybody else keep working, though. I mean, I'm not saying that's right. I actually don't know the answer to this one. Seek says 1. Okay. She got leaf. Yeah. Okay, well then, let's figure it out. So first thing we need to do, you got 1.29. Arindam is coming in with the exact answer here. James coming in with 1. All right, so people are kind of, yeah, round 1. I'll take that. Yeah, exactly, Arindam. So what is the circumference around this bad boy? How far will it go if it rotates once? You know what I'm saying? So let's figure it out. The circumference would be 21, 2 times 21 times that 22/7 that we've been using for pi. This 21 can get released to a 3, so it'll be 6 times 22. I don't know what that is. I got to do that real quick. 22 times 6, 12, 13, 132. Oh my gosh. 132 feet. So this is the circumference around this circle. The circumference around this circle is 132 feet. Right? Did you guys get that? So if it's 132 feet to go all the way around, or I'm not feet, dang, I mean inches. Duh. Right? If it's 132 inches all the way around, and is 22/7 going to be pi? That's the only way I've seen them use pi. They could also make 3.14. Oh, what's up, Jinchi? So yeah, if it's 132 inches to go through one rotation, and this bike or this beautiful car is traveling 100 inches in 1 minute, then we're not going to get a full rotation out of this bad boy. In fact, we're going to get less than a full rotation. So Vixamo, my dude, you're right. The answer is 0. 0 full rotations. Yeah? So let's do one more, like a difficult one, and we'll see how you guys do in that. All right, dudes. I'm gonna keep this hidden so you guys can't see, because I have a feeling, yeah, dude, you need that 3 bonus points, dude. And I'm keeping track, dudes. I'm keeping track. So if you get 200,000 bonus points, I will legit send you a free t-shirt. Tyler Tudor exclusive merch. The only way you can get it is through bonus points. That's the only currency I accept in this modern day and age. You know what I mean? That and Bitcoin. So let me whip out a problem, and you guys just chill for like 2 secs. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that'll work. That's too easy for you guys. So 14. Let's say. Yeah, we'll do that. 42. And that would be 6, 22. That we've done that number before. I'm trying to make it so it comes out even. So just give me a hot second. Let's see. All right, it's coming up, dudes. All right, guys, I hope you're ready. This is it. All right, cool. See you, Rindam. Take it easy, bro. All right. Oh, yeah, I forgot to put the diameter. Duh. Let's just say each spoke is 3.5 feet. Yeah, James, I'll give you, yeah, I'll give you credit for that one. Thanks, man. What's the radius? Yeah, you guys are on it. Cool. The radius is 3.5. Yeah, good luck on this one, dudes. This one is not easy. All right, so we got one answer. We got 54 a minute. That's Vixamo. Anybody else? Take your time. Take your time. Speed. I mean, you get 3 hours for the entire SHSAT, guys. Keep that in mind. 3 hours. So really take your time to make sure you get this one right. Sheikah Leaf comes in with 54 as well. Okay. See you, Rindam. Take it easy. Anybody else have a answer for this one? All right, Elena coming in hot with 136. Very nice. Anybody else? And I guess that's per minute. Where are you going? What's up, Tina? Okay, any other guesses? And if you've already submitted an answer, definitely check your work. Yeah, you cannot do this without the radius, guys. Because if this wheel is like huge, then it's not spinning at all. But if this wheel is like really tiny, then it's spinning a ton. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know. If you could do that, you're like psychic. All right, any other hot answers coming in, man? Anybody else got something to say on this one? Otherwise, we'll go through it. Is anybody currently working? They're just like, oh no, wait. This is library. Okay. All right, dudes. I'm gonna. All right, chill. So we all have the problem in our head. So let's see how this goes. First, we need to figure out how far does it travel with one spin? Because we know how far it's traveling every second, but how many spins is that? Well, how far does it have to go to do one spin? Well, we got to figure that out, dudes. So we know that the circumference equals 2 times the radius times pi. And that means that the circumference equals 2 times 3.5 times pi, which we've been using as 22 over 7, right? It's huge to set up the equation and then just plug in the variables you know. So our circumference is going to be 7 times 22 over 7. Nobody's shocked that the 7's cancel out. And our circumference is 22 feet. Did you guys get this? Because that's huge. Because if you know how far it goes around for one spin, then you really can do some good work. So if one spin gives us 22 feet, how many spins give us 98 feet? Because it's traveling at 98 feet a second. So we got to figure that out. We got to figure out how many of these 22-foot spins fit into 198 feet. Fortunately, I made the problem, so I don't have to guess. Right? And so it makes 9 spins. 9 spins a minute, or 9 spins a second. Okay? So how many spins? It's in feet per second. Yeah, feet per second. So it's 9 spins a second, 198 feet per second. Same thing, right? These are this value and this value are the same thing, right? Because a spin is 22 feet, and if we have 9 of them, we get to 198 feet. Yeah, that makes a ton of sense. Gin Cheese coming in with 198. Late answer, I'll take it. So how many spins does it take for 1 minute? Well, if it's spinning 9 spins per second, how do we change that into minutes? Well, we have to do like a unit exchange, right? Yeah, Vic Samo. Oh, what's up, OA45? What's cracking, man? So we have to multiply it by 60 because there's 60 seconds in a minute. So 9 times 60, don't forget the 0, Sheik and Vic Samo, and you get 540. Bam, bam, bam. Here is our answer. 198 per sec, since you said 98. Oh, okay. Oh, right. Thanks for the correction. Very nice. Yeah, exactly. So this is how you do it. Do you guys have any questions about how this kind of went down? I mean, it's a hard problem, but do you guys have any questions? This is like literally a problem from the SHSAT. So I'm hoping you, in case they give it to you guys again this year, I want you guys to be able to know how to do this. So do you guys have any questions about how this one breaks down or how it does? 3.5. Oh, dude, Elena. No. Yeah. Okay, so you guys were close, but you just made a couple small errors. Elena forgot how to add, which is great. And Vic Zanemo forgot his 0. All right. Circumference first, or does it depend on the question? Well, the reason why we find a circumference is because we're going to be dealing in spins and rotations. So we have to know how far this guy travels in one rotation, which is what the circumference is, yeah? So, I mean, not in all circle problems. Some circle problems, they don't care about their circumference. You know what I mean? So, this is just for like rotation and spin problems like that. But I mean, you guys were close, but it's just you guys like Elena just forgot to add Vixeno and Sheik just forgot their zero at the end of it. So I'm not gonna do another one of these unless you guys have like another question of like, oh dang, I don't you know. So if you don't have any questions, let's keep it popping. Let's keep it moving. All right, here we go. Containing a okay. All right, dudes. So you have to find out how many rotations per minute, multiple with circumference, and then multiply in terms of minute. Yeah, Arindam, you're on it, bro. You're weird, Vixamo. All right, so here's the problem, dudes. Let me bust in some enhance. Also, don't forget to leave a like and yeah, tell your friends. Yeah, dude, Vixamo, doing combinations, my man. Here we go. Let's see what we got. I don't actually know the answer to this one, so I got to do it. Ooh, this is hard. Let's see here. Oh, wow. This is going to be worth 5,000 bonus points. Okay, Sheik Leaf thinks it's 50-40. All right. Anybody else? Vixeno came in with the same answer. He's co-signing you, Sheik. Elena is coming in with 49. Anybody else? Okay, James, you got an answer, dude? We got 500. Okay. We got this coming in too. All right, dudes. 4320. Ooh, okay. Wait, what was it? 4320. All right. So that's enough answers. If you got another answer and you haven't given it to me yet, just guess at this point. Oh, you want to change it to a 9? It's. Let me show you how to do this. So James actually had a really interesting observation, because normally for a problem like this, you would just do. There are 7 possible. Excuse me. There's like 7 possibilities for the first number. There's 6 for the second, 5, and then you go on and on. But James is right. There aren't actually 7 possibilities for the first number, because the first number can't be a 0. Yeah, it can't be in the beginning. So, as far as possibilities, we actually have 6 possible numbers to be in the first position, either 3, 4, 7, 5, 8, or 9. Let's just assume then that we pick 4, know what I mean? So then how many could be in this next position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 can be in the next position. Then let's just say we pick 0. Then there's 5 choices left. Then there's 4 choices left. 3, 2, 1. You got to do this. And so if you do that, you actually get what the Sheik got, which is 5320. That is the right answer, man. Man, sheet, you're not even on my bonus. You're not even on my bonus sheet list, but you just made it, dude. I'm gonna put you down here. How do you spell that? Yeah. That's the sheet right there. And you got 5K, bro. Well done. All right. So there's that one. Yeah. So just keep in mind of you got to keep the rules in mind. James, that was a really really nice spot actually. So I want to talk to you guys about the new grammar section. You guys know that they made the only changes that they made this year was to the grammar section. They didn't change any, like they did nothing to the math, dude. The math is exactly the same as it was last year. Even in the handbook, it's the same questions. They're so lazy, dude. So with the new style, they added more ELA with poems. Yeah, dude, OA 45, that's exactly what they did, dude. So they made the reading comprehension, they made that bigger. Even with ninth grade, bro. Even with ninth grade. And then for like grammar, they made it easier. They really made the grammar a lot easier. I think last year too many people had like ish with it, so they like wanted to make it easier. So what do I mean by make it easier? Well, they rather than just having like, let me show you like the old way. No, they actually don't have spelling, James. You don't have to worry about that, dog. So the old way they used to have it is like read this sentence, and they still have it like this, but not as often. And they go, what edit should be made to the sentence? And you have to know comma rules, or else you're going to be BTFO, right? This is the new way that they're doing questions, which is, oh, whoops, wrong page, hold up. This is the new way that they're doing questions. And I want you guys to notice, they're checking comma rules, right? But they're also checking verb tense. So as long as you know one of these, you're gonna be good to go. So what's the right answer, guys? What is the right answer? If you're good with verb tenses, try to do that one first. If you're good with commas, do that one first. Sheik is coming. Wang, G. Elena, G. Vixano, G. Yeah, exactly, guys. That's exactly it. And Jinchi coming in, G. This was in KT. What is that? What's KT? This is a official practice test from the SHSAT that they released this year. Yo, cons tutorial. Yee, cons. Okay, yeah. All right, cool. So you guys all got this right, so we don't need to look at it. Great. What about this one that I showed you earlier, bro, with just the commas? Do you guys know how to do this? Dude, everybody is coming in with the right answer. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. That is totally crazy. Why are you guys so good at grammar? I thought we were gonna like spend time on grammar today, but you guys are crushing it up so hard. It's like, dude, what are they teaching you? They're teaching you your comma rules, dude. I'll tell you what. Tell you what, boy. All right, can you guys read that? Give me two answers. I want with when you comment, give me two answers. We got E and C. Okay. What else, guys? Yeah, I can wait. I can wait. E and C. Okay. What else? This is the exact question. Yeah, Vixano, because they just use what the city releases. Yeah, they like use the city's like test that they release. They don't think of their own. E and C. Okay. Anybody else got any different type of answer? Pass super hard for me. It took forever to stare at each of the questions. Yeah, we can look at a reading comprehension passage after this for sure. Yeah, I feel like everybody came in with the right answers, dude. That's so crazy, man. A and C. Okay. What? You mean Jinchi? Yeah, thank you. Great. Yeet. All right, dudes. Yeah, you guys crushed up on this. What? Man, is it just because you guys saw this question before? I thought this was like going to be somewhat challenging. Is it just because it's so easy, or like why did everybody get the right answer like no problem for all these grammar ones? They're just easy, I guess. I mean, I guess. I don't know. That's dude, never saw the question. Saw it before. Yeah, I don't know OA 45. I mean, I know these cats saw it before, but it's not like you guys study the tests you guys done. I mean, so let me just break it down just in case you're just doing it from habit, right? So this before the comma is a complete sentence. In September 2016, the National Museum of blah 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 opened as part of the Smithsonian Institute. That's a complete sentence, dudes. And then the museum is already the Smithsonian's third most popular site. That's a complete sentence. So yeah, dude. And just for clarity, this is from the 2018-2019 student handbook. And so to separate these two complete sentences, you can't use a comma. That's a run-on, bro. So you need a comma fanboy, because a comma fanboy is the exact same thing as a period. So if you got that comma fanboy, you can separate two independent sentences, and yeah, you're good to go. So that's why it's at E right there. And for this one, you just need to make sure that you're using like good language, right? So to promote their club on Wednesday, a bake sale, is the bake sale promoting a club? Nah. But for this one, to promote their club, members. Oh yeah, the members are doing the promoting, so we got to have that right next to the modifying phrase. Really nice. I can't believe you guys crushed it so fast. That's like honestly kind of crazy, but whatever. Whatever, bro. All right, let me put up a reading comprehension so we can like work on this. Yeah, let's do it. All right, let me make this a little bit wider here. Bang. All right. All right, dude. Bam. Bam. Yeah, we can do rate problems after this. Cool. So guys, hit me with 4 right answers. Let's see it. Whoa. Okay. Can you zoom in? Yeah, I can zoom in. Chill. All right. Just throw this under here. Damn. Hold up. Damn, sorry for all y'all putting up with this. All right. Yeah. Chill. All right, chill. Yeet, yeet. All right, we got some answers coming in hot. We got HAEB, and we got HBED. He's copying Sheik now. HAEA. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer so everybody can get their answers in for this one. I'm gonna wait like a minute longer. So just like play a quick game on your phone or something. My name is Seth. What's up, bro? HAED. Okay. HAED. Okay. I'm still gonna wait it out for like another minute. So just, you know, just think of cool stuff, I guess. All right, Elena, coming in. Nice. Okay. So I'm gonna go over this now, unless anybody types "wait" in all caps. Their trunks pointing away from the center of the blast, and that's how Kulik discovered this. So he like had to look at the trees, and that's why H is correct. Yeah, you guys are on it. Very nice. This next one, the June 30th date, right? Go to the text, which a lot of you guys did. Boom. And what is happening? It's a time of year where the Earth is passing through all this debris, right? So we have to see, what could that be? Suggested that the explosion may have been caused by a comet, right? Because we are going through, where is it? Passing through debris. Other scientists have disagreed with that, right? Disagreed with the comet theory, right? So if it's passing through cometary debris, chances are it's going to be a comet. So that's why we got A. Why did Galley's analysis of tree resin at the site reveal? Well, just look at his name. Where do we find him in the text? Bam, right here. So it's going to be this paragraph. So what did it reveal? E. Certain elements were unusually abundant around the time of the blast. Which elements? Such as copper, gold, and nickel, right? 10 times more such particles, right? So that is unusually abundant. E. Based on the passage, what is the most likely reason it took 19 years from the date of the explosion before scientists first visited it? Well, you kind of have to like assume. This is like a difficult question, right? So what is one theory with all of this stuff? Let me see. How many bonus points? Yeah. So how many? Let's see. D. Craters for the explosion hampered travel to the area. That's not correct, actually, because they got to it before that. It took 19 years, but this was at 1908, dude. They didn't have like helicopters. They didn't have helicopters then, bro. And plus, he's just like, what did it say? What does it say? This came to know led a scientific exposition, and it took until 1927 to reach the remote site, right? And so, why did it take 19 years? Because it was remote, dudes. They could see the fireball from 3,000 miles away, which is super sick, but it's really remote. So, it's not D. I mean, this is using your outside information to answer a question. Okay. So, yeah, the answer is B here. Very nice. Yeah. So be very careful that you're taking all your information from the reading passage, right? Because even though there was a lake kind of near the center, that's not the answer. But they had cars. They did have cars. But dude, these cars were garbage, bro. Like these, you should look up like Model Ts. They were like straight trash. So Jinchi, you got 12 and 13 wrong. What answer choice did you choose for 12 and 13? I guess I could just scroll up and stop being lazy. Jinchi, I don't see your answer, homie. What'd you get for those two? Yeah, let's look at number 13, because you guys seem to get it wrong. Vixeno, what you got, man? Did you get... what did you get? Vixeno got... I don't know, man. 12, you got H. H. So for 12H, meteorites are composed of... Ah, dude. Yeah, this is a really good answer. Okay, and let me show you why it's wrong. This is a very good trap answer, probably the second best answer. So let's look at the passage, of course, because we gotta go back to the passage, right? Let's see. So it says it contained 10 times more such of these particles, right? Some previously discovered meteorites also contained elevated levels of this element. It really in the passages just says some. Yeah, exactly, man. Maybe you were rushing. And you said for 13, you got all correct, Seth? Dude, that's solid, man. I'll give you 1 bonus point for that. For 13, you got A, scientists feared radioactivity. Dude, that's just outside information. Because they talked about like a nuclear alien coming in, you know what I mean? Like, what did they say about the nuclear alien? That was like crazy. Can you imagine? Like a nuclear alien ship explodes, right? Where does it say that? You guys remember? Um, Earthquake. Oh, right. Or an alien spaceship carrying nuclear material. Yeah, that would have been. That would have been really crazy. Like if a nuclear alien crashes into our planet, that'd be nuts. Yeah. All right, dudes. So that's some reading comprehension homework, or not homework, but just work that you can kind of floss on. Um, actually, I want to ask you 2 more questions about this passage since you already did it. And Vixeno, I will go back to math, I swear, dude. But I just want to look at these function questions that they ask. So here's a function question. So take a peek at these two, right? This is worth, let's just say 1 bonus point, and this is worth 7K bonus points. Go for it. James is skipping 14. All right, we got F and B. Vixemo comes in with that. And oh, and then she came in with FD. So she came in with FD. F to D in an earlier comment. Fixado! Did you change it to D? Did you change it to D? Oh, it looks like you did. Oh, you got in there, dude. Okay. All right, I'll take you. Answer here. Let's see if it's F and D. So what is the primary role of paragraph 1? It indicates the magnitude of the explosion. And yeah, look at what's in there, dudes. It's like numbers, 40 miles, how high you saw it, right? This does paint like a super impressive picture. So yeah, that is definitely F, right? The author includes a series of questions at the last paragraph. Ooh, most likely to. And then you guys found that emphasize that the event has not been fully explained. Yeah, that's really right too. Really, really nice. And everybody got D, right? So on that one, Seth got B for that one. Suggests that the event has multiple causes. Well, I mean, it very well could have multiple causes. Let's see what it says. It says, where is the crater? Is the lake a claim? Or is the meteorite reduced? Can scientists rule out a comet? The mystery remains unsolved, right? So it is not yet fully explained. I mean, each of these is a separate cause. It could be causing the lake. It could be reduced to dust. It could not even be a comet, whatever. But they don't think that that is suggesting that there's multiple reasons why this blast happens. Chances are it's like one reason and one really good reason on why there was a huge explosion. My guess is classified government testing, but who knows, right? So yeah, Vixano, you're right on top, dog. That is 7,001 bonus points for you. Yeah, you're flossing today, man. You've been really kicking butt, dude. Really good work. All right, dudes. Yeah. All right, so let's go to math. Let's finish up with math today because you guys crushed it so hard on these earlier ones. Really impressive, but you guys I had planned to do ELA a lot more. Why don't you get point sheet? Because you were second, man. I mean, just how the comment came in in the order they came in. I got to take that, man. I got to trust the order. So what type of math do you guys want to work on? We got like 12 minutes left, and I'm happy to help you guys with anything. I could give you. Oh, okay, cool, James. I'll check the email later, bro. So I could give you like an age game problem that you guys might like. Okay, cool. Rate problems. All right, Jinchi, you got it. And specifically, Jinchi, what type of rate problems are you talking about? Like, do you mean like converting rate, like how to make feet per second into miles per second, or are you talking about like if, let me pull up some rate problems that I know, and you tell me what what you're thinking about on this one. Let me see. Bam. Bam. Holy Grail math breakdown, because there are a ton of rate problems. Let's see. Graph, rate, finishing homework. Right, like this one, right? So is there a reference sheet? Yeah, there's like a tiny reference sheet, like kind of like it's like tiny. Let me see if I can pull up a picture of it for you guys. Actually, there is no reference sheet. You're not given any formulas or anything like that. So what if I said James eats 7 chips a minute? Rocco 3 money sides. DuPont eats 5 chips a minute. How long will it take for them to eat? $5K bonus on this bad boy. Let me zoom in. Enhance. Okay. Vixano coming in hot with 20 minutes off the rip. Anybody else? Sheik coming in. Seth coming in. 20. Dang. You guys are ripping these problems up. Dude, that is so great to see. And for reference, Jinchi. Yeah, Chen, what's up, man? Yeah, 20 is correct. That's totally right. So we have to think, how many do they both eat in a minute? and combined they eat 12 a minute, right? So how many of these 12 chips per minute fit inside of this 240? 240. I can do combinations next. Yeah. 12, and we're going to get that 2 there. 0. So yeah, that's our answer. 20. Did Vic Samo come in hot with that one too? Dude. Wow. You are really scooping up bonus points today, my brother. All right, cool. So, yo, Seth, if you're looking for Revolution questions, the first like 20 minutes of the session today were all like Revolution questions. So you can check that out. As far as combination questions go, what do you mean by like combination questions? Um, like what the only combination questions? Oh, actually, I think I know what you're talking about. Hold up, let me bust one out. I think I know what you mean. I think I know what's on your mind. Like 7 shits if you need to pick 2. Okay, yeah. I see you, dude. I see you. Shorts. Yeah, shits or shorts. Either one, dudes. Sometimes there's 7 shits. Yeah. Dude, there is a formula, but I'm just going to show you the easy way to do this, guys. So let's say you have 3 pizza sizes and 7 toppings. How many 2 topping pizzas, no repeat on toppings, can you make? Boom. And this is worth 0.5 bonus points. All right, Sheik is coming in with 126. Anybody else got an answer? Can you guys read my crappy handwriting? My crappy. My Wi-Fi. Oh no. Tell your Wi-Fi to come back. Come back, Wi-Fi. Any other answers coming in hot? 3 pizza sizes, 7 toppings. How many 2 separate topping pizzas, no repeat, can you make? Yeah, these are tough, dude. Got another 126. We got a cosine. Anybody else? Okay, I'm just going to give you like a minute more to do it. All right, so this actually is a really hard problem. I didn't mean for this problem to be so hard, but it actually is. So yeah, 105. This problem is actually a lot harder than any combination problem you'll get on the SHSAT. So let me show you an example. I accidentally made this a lot harder than it should have been. Let me show you a quick example of how it'll be shown on the SHSAT, and then we'll go back. Cool. So let's just say that there is like there's like let's say how do I want to do this? How do I want to show this combination? Okay, so 3 sizes, 7 toppings. How many 1 topping pizza can I make? And how many different, you know what I mean, pizzas? So this is an example of what you would see on the SHSAT. So if this other one was way too hard for you down here, don't sweat it. This is kind of what you're gonna have to get used to seeing. So can anybody give me an answer for this? I'll give you 1.5K bonus points for the answer. Chen coming in with 21, right? So Chen, how did you get this? How did you get 21? Everybody's coming in with 21. Dang. Chen, I gotta update my my bonus point list with you on it, dude. You're not on my bonus point list yet. Chen, you got 1K, bro. Nicely done. So yeah, so this is what you guys need to get used to seeing. The harder question was on the handbook, though. No way. Really, I would be shocked if it is, but I'm definitely not saying it isn't. Like, let's see if you where in the handbook did you see it? 2 of 6, maybe question 91. Was that it? Could be. It's form B. Pull it up. 91? Is that it? Yeah, so you might be referring to question 91. Good job, Chen, by the way. So what you might be referring to with this being in the handbook is this. Check it out. I'm going to copy the exact question down. That's a 6. Question 94? Which one is that? 94 on the second test. On test form B, I'm assuming that's what you're talking about. Oh, great. Yeah, exactly. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's exactly what it does. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, I don't know why these numbers happen to be exactly the same, but they are. Great. So we're back at this problem. So let me explain to you how this one is done. So you have to recognize that we have 3 separate pizza sizes, and those are independent from the 7 different toppings that we have, right? So first we need to figure out how many different topping pairs are possible. So let's just label the toppings as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? And if we have toppings 1 and 7, and we have toppings 7 and 1, those are the same. So we actually don't need that one. That's not a new pizza. So let's figure it out, right? I would just make a chart. That's like the easiest way to do it. So here's 1, right, down this side. And you could have then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. If you pick 2 first, you can then have, or I'll give it space, 2 first. Then you could have 3. You wouldn't want 2, 1 because we've already counted for 2, 1 right here. So we're going to start with 2, 3, a brand new combination. 4, 5, 6, 7. All of these are different combinations. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. Then we go with 3. We start at 4. We go to 4 and we start with 5. We go to 5. 1 less for every row. Chic. Yup. Yup. And then we get to 6 and we just get 7 and we can stop there because we got the final combination. So how many combos are here, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 different combos. So there are 21 potential combos for one pizza. Is anybody lost? Is anybody's head exploding, or are you guys good? Right? Does this all make sense? So for one pizza, we could have 21 potential topping combinations. But we don't have just one pizza. We have 3 pizza sizes we could pick from. So we have to multiply that 21 by 3. And what we're going to get is our answer of 63 possible pizzas. Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? I can't. And I'm sitting here. So, you guys have any questions about that one? It's like kind of hard. We can do another one like that too if you guys are curious. We're kind of running out of time, but I'll go long for you guys. You guys are worth it. Unless my phone dies. You guys want to do another one, or are you all good? Let's see. Wang wants another one. You got it. Like how n is total and r is wanted. I don't know what you're talking about, Vixano. How n is total and r is wanted? Oh, you're talking about the equation. You're talking about like the combination equation. Guys, I mean, these problems are really rare. So like this method totally works. Okay, here's the last question of the day. Because it's the last question, it's going to be worth 7K bonus points. All right. Who gets the free study sections? What's that? What do you mean who gets the free study sections? I don't know what free study sections are. All right. So let's look at this problem. It is worth 7K. I'm only taking the first answer. Sheik's coming in with 60. Why is the Anna ghost? I don't know, man. Cause I don't know. I don't have control over that. If my aunt's a ghost, what am I gonna do? You know, you can't touch a ghost. So what are you gonna do? Tell it to go away? If it doesn't go away and it asks for a pig with ribbons on it, what are you gonna do? People are really dialing in on 60 here. Does anybody else have a different answer for that? Not saying that 60 is wrong, but does anybody else come in with something different? Oh, Sheik is coming in with that formula. Yep, that's the one. That's the one. Gets a free study session. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, shoot me an email, Vixano, if you're interested. Shoot me an email. Yeah, and that is the formula. Do we have any other guesses for this one? Learned it right before the diagnostic. Yeah. Yeah, the answer of 60 is looking pretty good. Looking really good, actually. So if we say that the ribbons are like 1 through 5, so then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, and 5. Count them up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 different ribbon possibilities. And so then we're going to multiply that by the 6 pigs we have, and we're going to get 60. I think that was Sheik coming off the rip, dude. So Sheik, you get plus 7K, dude. You are coming up the ranks there, dude. Very nice. Also, remember, if you get 200K bonus points, that's a free t-shirt. I will send it to you for free. The bonus points are the only currency I accept. So yeah, dudes, that is the study session today. We went over combinations. We went over a little bit of ELA, but you guys crushed it. And then we went over revolution questions. How many bonus points did you earn today? Well, let's consult the chart, dog. You earned 3K plus 3 plus 7K, so that's 10,003, 10,004, 15,004. That's how much you earned. So you're going to be at 17,007. Big gap between Elena and someone above her. Yeah, there is a big gap because people didn't. Yeah, Seth, dude, you're here, bro. Seth, you're here, man. I wouldn't forget. I wouldn't forget about you, dude. Dude, Seth, I did not forget about you. How could I? Yeah, dude, and there is a big point difference. You guys had a week to email me based on the last live stream. I accepted all answers for a week, and it was really, really big. So yeah, there's a big point difference, but you know what? Anybody, it's not the first person to get 200K. As soon as you get 200K, you get a free tee, free customized tee. So yeah, man, Fixamo, you wanted that 1 point? James, yeah, man, RIP, dude. You are you are not on the list. James, you're not on the list, man. Do you not have any bonus points? Is there an error? That's so sad, dude. That's so sad. You've done such good work. How about this, James? I got your back, dude. James, or here, I'll put you down here. About the free session, chill, dude, chill. James, oh, you missed everything. What's up, Rosanna? I'm gonna give you 0.5 bonus points. You're on the board, dude. That's right. James, you have 0.5 bonus points. Welcome to the leaderboard. You're in last place, but you know, you're almost next to Seth. You know, you're almost at Seth. So yeah, man. Awesome. You must feel rich. Wow. I feel awesome. All right, dudes. I am gonna go make a frozen pizza because that's just my lifestyle right now. Yeah. So, dudes, if you guys have any questions about like any of the junk we went over, here's my email so you guys can hit me up. Yeah, Rosanna, definitely rewatch. And if you have any questions, you can just give me a question. You can give me shoot me an email. This is it. Tyler Tutor Test Prep. Bang. That's what you can do to like email me if you have any questions and stuff. Or if you're like, begging for bonus points, maybe I'll give you an extra bonus point if you email me. Not saying I will. No guarantees. All right, dudes. So great study sessions today. You guys really, really were fast with the answers. I got to make my questions harder next week. But yeah, dudes, I'll see you guys Thursday at 6 p, bro. See ya. And yeah. See you guys later. And Jinchi, yeah, you can send me pictures of math problems. No big deal. I'm happy to help. So yeah, dudes, see you later. See ya. Tell your friends. Tell your friends, because my channel is tiny and sucks. So tell everybody you know. Yeah, dude. See you guys. Take care. Tell your friends, because my channel sucks right now. I need some help. Yeah. All right, guys. Good luck. See you on the flip side.